In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a post on Gumroad. Creating posts on Gumroad allows you to share updates, announcements, promotions, or content with your followers and customers. First, open the Gumroad website in your browser and log in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the Emails section from the left sidebar. Now click on the New Email button. Here, you can create your post by entering a title and writing your content inside the editor. You can add text updates, links, images, videos from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, and even attach products directly to the post. If you want to showcase one of your Gumroad products, use the Attach Product option and select the product you want to include. You can also customize the visibility of the post and choose whether it should be public or sent only to specific customers. Before publishing, click Preview to see exactly how your post will look. Make sure your images, videos, and links display correctly. If everything looks good, click Publish Now to post it immediately. You can also schedule the post for a future date and time using the calendar option. And if you are not ready yet, you can save the post as a draft and finish it later. After publishing, you can share the post link on social media, email newsletters, or your website to reach more people. And that's how to create a post on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.